Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler key battery. First, remove the key fob cover using a coin, separate the halves gently, and lift out the old battery. Place the new CR 2032 battery with the positive side facing up, align the halves, and snap them together until they click. Test the remote buttons to confirm responses and check the range from a few feet away. Keep small parts away from children. Gather a coin, small screwdriver, and the replacement CR 2032 battery before you begin so the process is smooth and quick. Work on a well-lit, clean surface to prevent losing tiny components and to spot any worn contacts. Wear gloves if you want to avoid fingerprints, and gently pry the case open without forcing it to prevent plastic damage. Always test the remote after replacement and recycle the old battery correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and to get more handy vehicle tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on the driveway or in the garage and has a spill-proof lid that makes tool bench spills less of a worry. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. If your remote fails after battery replacement, reseat the battery and confirm the positive side faces up, then retest the buttons. Check the battery contacts for corrosion and clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol if necessary to restore connectivity. For persistent issues, consult the owner manual for reprogramming steps or try a simple ignition on sequence, sometimes required to sync the fob. If problems persist, a dealer or locksmith can assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.